Hi everyone, welcome to Math. Today we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.3, question 2. Find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. So this is the same thing in exercise 4.3. Question 2, find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. So in question 1, whatever equation is given, using the same equation, we have to find the roots, but by applying quadratic formula. In question 1, we did completing the square. Here, quadratic formula, apply this formula and find the roots. So I have written down the equations already. So let's see one by one. So the first one is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now quadratic formula is what? Quadratic formula is derived from the quadratic equation. Okay. So your quadratic equation is this, no? General formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. So a is what? A is 2 here. B is 7, C is 3. Okay, this much you know. Now, when we use completing the square method, when we solve this equation by completing the square method, we will end up with the formula like this. Minus B plus root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Okay. So this is the formula you have. Quadratic formula. X equal to, okay, this is x equal to this. And this part that is b square minus 4ac, also known as d, discriminant. Okay, this is also known as capital D, this part. Okay, so this you have to remember. So I am not going to show you how to derive the formula, but this is the formula you have to know, quadratic formula. And this part can be also written as a capital D. Okay, so we just apply this formula here and then solve the equation and get the answer. Now there are three types it can be. If this part is more than 0, then you will get 2 roots. If this part is equal to 0, then you will get the same roots only 2 times. Same thing here, you will get different roots, 2 roots different, but here the same root only will get, means same answer twice. Then if this part, if you get less than 0, then that is called no real roots. Okay, these are the 3 conditions are there. So while solving, this will be clear to you. Okay, first let us write down a value. A is what actually I told you, 2 here. And B is what? Minus 7 is B. Then C is what? 3. Okay, so A, B, C value you know. So next, let's find out first D, then put in the formula directly. So capital D is equal to what actually? B square minus 4AC. Okay, B is what? Minus 7. Whole square, this minus is here. 4. A is what? 2. C is what? 3. Okay, so 7 squares are 49. Minus square means it becomes plus, then minus. This when you multiply, you will get 24. So when you subtract biggest number sign you will get, and the answer is 25. So this is your D. Okay, now just put it in the formula now. So your formula is, quadratic formula is what actually? X equal to minus B plus or minus, okay? Root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. So this is your formula. So just put the value now. So minus, your B value is what? Minus 7. So b is minus 7. Plus or minus, this is root. Already we know this value. Okay. So that is 25 upon 2. A value is 2. So minus into minus will become plus 7. This plus, this is root. So can we write 5 square? 5 square is 25. Then 2 2s are 4. So these are x value we are finding out, right? So 7 plus 5 square goes means root will go. Then 4. So now x equal to 7 plus 5 will give us 12 upon 4. So when you simplify further, you will get 3. By the way, this is plus and minus. So one time we will do with plus and one time we have to do with minus. Okay, because two signs are there. So one time we have carried forth with the plus. Another time we have to carry forth with minus. Okay, minus. Here also 5 square you can write. Okay, so this part here we have taken with plus, here we are taking with minus. So be 7, this is minus, root goes 4. So x value will be 2 upon 4. You simplify, get 1 upon 2. So these are the two roots. So you remember I told you the condition, b square minus 4ac if it is greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. That means we will get two distinct answers. So we got the two distinct answers. So hence the roots are 3 and 1 upon 2. That's it. Second part we'll see in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.